All right, episode 2 of the great guitar build of 2023 Freestyle. So I've been building this ukulele out of scrap wood, so only scrap pieces of wood are allowed. So yeah, instead of making my life easy and just taking like big pieces of scraps for the neck, I'm actually gonna slice everything into small pieces, make a pattern, make the neck, and then probably use a laser as well. So stay tuned, see what I'm gonna come up with, and yeah, enjoy yourselves. Okay, so at this point I could have made it easy on myself, just glued these together and made a neck. But if you know me, I do not like taking the easy way out. So instead I'm gonna take these, cut them at an angle, make like loads of little pieces and then rearrange them into a nice pattern. That's gonna look really nice when the neck is carved. So, I mean, it's difficult to imagine like this, but you'll see. You'll see. Okay, so the neck blank is done. I put a little bit of a pattern in it, as you can see. I think that's gonna look super nice when the neck is carved. It's gonna round up all these things and it's gonna make an interesting pattern as well. So looking forward to that. Next up, I need to take these offcuts and make them into a fretboard. Okay, it's time to do the headstock. I got a design, I got 2 pieces of wood, and I think I'm gonna do something interesting with it. It's difficult to explain. Let me just show you. It's time to deal with the fretboard now. I'm going to cut some fret slots and then glue it to the neck. So I just got a laser. Yeah, I'm quite happy with it. I've been messing around with it for a moment, but I haven't used it for a major project yet, which is going to change now. So I thought the fretboard looked a little bit boring for now. Instead of taking the time and really learning the software, I'm going to take the easy way out, and I'm going to just program a pattern, put the fretboard underneath, and actually I've glued some pieces of wood in places in which I want the pattern to not happen, and that's going to be nice because, well, we have this nice ebony, for example, which I want to keep without anything, and then these fretboard markers, which are going to happen in negative space, so nothing is going to be on those. After this, I'm gonna fill everything up with some colored epoxy, and yeah, I think it's gonna look quite nice. So yeah, to the laser.
Just ask ChatGPT.
All right, look at this pattern. I am super pleased with how it turned out. It's the first time I do this kind of thing. Although the little fret markers need a little bit more attention, I think. I'm gonna inlay a little bit of veneer just to give it a bit more of an accent, and like this, yeah, it's gonna look nice. It's time for my favorite part. Let's carve this tiny neck. Let's do some frets. All right, I'm quite happy with how it came out. This little pattern thing turned out super nice, I think. I'm also super happy with the inlays and all that pattern that I put in with the laser. Yeah, all in all, quite pleased with this. The fret ends are super nice. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, enjoy your life, be nice to people and stuff. And yeah, see you on the next one. That's the one where everything will come together, and I'll be doing a little demo, which will be fun because I don't know how to play one of these.